Videos look great, but buying the wrong house? Yeah, that's a horror film. Hey, I'm Donia Karimi, a local real estate agent here in Seattle metro area, and I help buyers not make expensive mistakes. Here are three top things that every home buyers need to know before they make an offer. Number one, not all loan programs are created equal. The wrong one could cost you thousands, and the right one might get your down payment assistance. Number two, most buyers overpay without even realizing it. It's not about the price, it's about the strategy. Number three, if you're only looking on Zillow, you're already behind. The best homes, they go fast, and you need front row access. If you want the full breakdown and how to actually win in this market, I wrote a quick, easy guide that walks you through everything step by step. It's free. So just comment below free book and I will send you a copy.